Hello everyone. Everybody wanted an update video on the Dodge. I forgot to record putting the cab on, but here she is with the cab on. I got a lot of work done to it so far. Here's the old cab. Old cab is pretty much apart. Dash is out, carpet is out, seats are out. Got the dash in the new truck, well, the new cab. Gotta put the old interior back together. She runs though. Starts right up. Pretty much body work to be done now and paint. I got to do some work to the rear axle. He broke the axle flush with the rear end and snapped the bracket for the brakes. Got to put a rear glass in it. But other than that, it's mostly body work now. Body work and interior and rear axle work. I still need to line up the hood and the fenders. Dad said he bought new hood and new fenders for it, so I'm not going to do anything until I find out what he bought. This is an 08. It's got 150,000 miles on it, but the truck runs great. I hope it's gonna all work out for us. But here's an update on the truck. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one, guys.